welcome or welcome back to my channel. To the one who don't know me, hi, my name is Muskan Singh and today we are on a staycation and I'm like so excited about that because after a long period of time we are having a family vacation because all of us are like very busy. I personally had so much work to do and I had a lot of shoots aligned uske wajah se plan postpone hone wale the, but finally we are staying at this property for like next 2 days and I am going to show you. This place is so pretty you guys and oh my god, I'm having a cold first of all, so थोड़ी मेरे को difficulties हो रही है बात करने में, please ignore that. I am going to show you all this property tomorrow morning because अभी अगर if I'm going to record so अच्छी तरीके से I wouldn't be able to show you guys. Stay tuned because I know this vlog is going to be so much fun. I know you guys are going to love this a lot, so please make sure to subscribe right now if you love me and if you love watching my content. So we're gonna have so much fun, so I'm so excited about, so let's go. I have no privacy in my home और बाहर भी नहीं है, मतलब I was recording बीच में मेरी मम्मा आके she is this video calling her sister showing the property and she knows I'm shooting but no, तो अपनी sisters को दिखाना and उससे पीछे मेरा भाई है, he is showing his friend. No privacy for me, this family. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, Mama, do you know you're disturbing me? I was actually recording. मजाक कर रही हूँ.
sorry मैं उधर ही जा रही हूँ.
Say hi in my video. Hi. We're having some cookies and then we have some chai and then we have some मेरे मम्मा पापा के favorite पकोड़े. क्या 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 बोला हमने? What right? झूठे मम्मा वहाँ पे. We have chef झूठे. Oh my god, कितने झूठे. We have for our dinner.
This is paneer butter masala, dal makhani,
Tasty.
chapati
and
rice.
And we have some salad as well. One more thing we have. What do we have next?
इसके बिना तो सब अधूरा है ना.
इसके बिना सब अधूरा है. किसके?
भिंडी रायता.
Oh my god.
My favorite.
Your favorite. आपके लिए अधूरा है मम्मा, आपके लिए अधूरा है, सबके लिए अधूरा नहीं. Hi everyone, good morning and this is the next day.
Good morning.
Good morning YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Yes, I woke up at 8 a.m. today because I know it was going to be a long day. We just had a shower. This is the outfit that we're wearing today and we are all set for the day and we are just waiting for our breakfast to come because the caretaker here, Bhaiya, he just went to get us our breakfast and we are waiting. After that, we will go for some swimming. Honestly, I am very tired for swimming but I really want to go. That is it. I'm just gonna show you all the property and I'm really excited about it because this is so pretty and bus breakfast karke fatafat I'll give you all a villa tour as well. I can't just wait to show you all what it looks, so stay tuned. Okay, so hi everyone, and now I'm going to show you the villa where we are staying. So this is where we enter from. This property is called Mexicora Farmhouse. Okay, we have like a very nice place जहाँ पे there are trampolines and there are some swings. और हमने कल उसका यूज़ भी करा है. This is the entrance. This is where we enter from. This is actually a huge villa and this is literally one of the most beautiful property that I visited yet. Okay, so Kama, I just want to show you how it looks. This is where we enter from. Ta-da! So this is a very beautiful lounge area that we have, and idhar we have like a dining area where we used to have food, mostly dinner. Abhi tak to dinner hi kara hai and lunch. And then over here we have the kitchen area, and here we also have like a bar kind of place where you can come and just have your drinks, whatever. I'm just thirsty. Okay, so now this was my mom's and dad's room. Okay, this is what it looks like. Wait, let me just switch on the lights. And सबसे अच्छी बात यहाँ पे they also have like a separate seating area which I discovered अभी because रात को it was too dark to see everything. This is like a very nice seating area that we have where you can just come and sit. This is so pretty again. And from here you can just have a look of the property. Again, very pretty it is. Now it's time to show you guys my and Yuvi's room. तो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. Come with me. तो मम्मा पापा के रूम के बिल्कुल सामने ही we have मेरा and Yuvi का room. Showing you what it looks. This is what the room really looks like. I don't know why am I showing this, but okay. So this is what the restroom really looks like. We also have like a smoking area here. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. That is it for the washroom, guys. enough. The main reason to choose this room because Yuvi और मेरे को a poolside room चाहिए था. अच्छा, this is open only. So come. This is the view that we have from our room. Pool that we have. We are also going to go for swimming, so you'll see that as well. We also have another room which is upstairs, so I'm just going to show you that as well. So ये थे नीचे ground floor के rooms that we had. अब मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ the room that we have upstairs where my बुआ was staying. So come, let's just see that as well. Okay, this is the terrace. The property looks like ऊपर से. The room at the first floor, and I'm just gonna show you what it really looks like. Again, this is very pretty. So let's just go. Ta-da! And the best part about this room is the view that we have here. I wish I could just jump into the swimming pool yahin se, but that's not possible. Hi everyone, and we are going for swimming away. Although I don't know how to swim, but देखते हैं. पानी थोड़ा ज़्यादा deep है. Like this side it is very deep. मतलब मेरी height से भी काफ़ी deep है. उधर it is less deep. I guess that side is for kids, so I can go there. This is our swimming costume. No, I was not carrying any swimming costume, anything. So this is what we're wearing. It's so cold. और मेरे को आती नहीं थी स्विमिंग करना, but it's not that tough honestly. So you had मैं अपनी ट्रिक सिखाती हूँ. Okay. ये
मेरे को ठंड लगेगी.
changed our outfit. I am carrying a lot of dresses with myself, but यहाँ पे actually बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है. So yeah, that's why I'm wearing these sweaters and these shoes and these pants. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's actually a very cute fit. Also, I'm very tired. I don't know if I look tired or not, but I am actually very tired. So yes, that is it. Okay, so we are almost done with the day and बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया सब because swimming करके everybody's body parts are just spinning, but I just cannot stop vlogging at this place because this property is so damn beautiful. Hi guys, welcome to the very first episode of Cooking with Sings. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं अदरक वाली चाय जो कि इनको पीनी है and he doesn't even drink चाय. आज थोड़ी लेट तक जगने के लिए now he wants to drink चाय.
क्या हो गया? तो हमारे फर्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट है हमारे मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं मिल्क एंड जिंजर. ओके
Okay.
सो ये रही जिंजर एंड मिल्क.
लड़के को मैंने पहली बार इतना कॉन्शियस होते हुए देखा है. इसने ये चीज बोलने में लेजिट 4 रीटेक्स लगाए हैं. ये चाय वैसे आपको बनानी थी है ना?
मैंने तो बनाई.
ओह माय गॉड, झूठा लेजिट कुछ भी नहीं करा इसने. आई एम द वन हु मेड द चाय.
सब मैंने
मैं ही हमने सच ए लायो. ठीक है, चाय इज रेडी. न्यू शेफ इन द हाउस. शो व्हाट यू मेड.
I already know how to make tea, okay?
No, you don't know.
I know.
No, you don't know. I just want to show you what the property looks like at night. Come with me. Okay. Oh my god. मेरे को डर लग रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा. अभी लाइट्स हुआ ऑन बट अब ऑफ हो गई बिकॉज इट्स मिडनाइट. इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1:30 or 2 I guess. This is the swimming area we have and then this is the main entrance that we have. Come. This is what the property looks like. रात को काफ़ी देर हो गई है, मुझे फिल्म नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके ओके, नाउ मेरे को थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. एक बार उस साइड दिखाओ. This is what the property looks like at night. I am just going to go and sleep now, but I just wanted to show you once that what it looks like raat ko. Come with me. Now we're going inside and of course you're also coming with us. So bye. I'll just mention all the details of this property in my description so you can just go and check it out, and whenever you want to visit some nice place in future you can come to this place. And yes, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys super soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.